Well, the project in Mozambique was mostly about RED and forest carbon, which is one of the new mechanisms of implementing climate change mitigation. So that's mostly the idea of bringing this subject for further analysis, especially because in Mozambique, this is, and also in global terms, this is a developing process, and since it's not well understood, we choose this as one of the subjects that we will submit to political economy analysis to further our understanding. We learned a lot, actually myself, as someone who have been working in this process. There are things that we have been thinking of within the forest sector per se, but we have never sometimes formalized the way of thinking systematically in this way. One of them is the need for a better forest governance, because we understand that this will be one of the best or one of the bases to create the environment, not only in terms of policy development, but also in terms of being able to implement those policies. Sometimes we thought that RED will be about forestry, but in fact, in reality, we come out to learn that forest is beyond the forest sector. So that means need for wider coordination with other institutions, especially the agriculture sector, which is one of the key drivers of deforestation in Mozambique, but also the energy sector, which also, as I mentioned, one of the key drivers of the deforestation and forest degradation in Mozambique. The other aspect will be the need to bring the different stakeholders and also to tap from the different entry points that already exist. We have been testifying the appearance of large investments on land, especially not only with forest plantations, which is a new phenomenon in Mozambique in the last 10 years, but also in large investments in agriculture, especially to feed the international markets with agricultural products. So I think there is an entry point there to help us improve our agriculture sector and reduce the deforestation as well. But apart from those large investments, there are community initiatives which I think in order to avoid exclusion of the local communities, it will be good to take them into consideration. Well, the benefits for me will be to the ability to link up different stakeholders and also bringing the people from different perspectives, including the government, the private sector, the NGOs, and also the local communities, which participated in those workshops and also responded to the questions in the interviews. Blending all this information and especially the perceptions from those people was actually the most important. Evaluating who is losing, who is winning within this process was also a very good experiment actually to go through. We used to think of the NGOs as one homogeneous group, which we came out to find that it was not, definitely. And we developed the aspect that there is a potential, for instance, to have the academia improving the work of NGOs by bringing up the evidences. Well, the advice for them will be to improve a little bit on this aspect I've just mentioned, of including actually the information from the grassroots, because they are at the end the ones who will be immediately affected by the development, adaptation and mitigation process in the first place. So definitely their ideas, their perspectives, their views are important to shape the policies and also the mechanisms on how mitigation, adaptation and development could be shaped in a coordinated manner to generate benefits for them.